Welcome back to All Things African, your go-to channel for exploring the rich history and culture of the African continent. Today, we're diving into the life and legacy of one of Africa's most influential leaders, Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah was born in 1909 in what was then the Gold Coast, now Ghana. He dedicated his life to the fight against colonialism and the quest for African unity and independence. Growing up under British colonial rule, Nkrumah witnessed firsthand the injustices and exploitation faced by his people. He was determined to change this. In 1957, Ghana became the first sub-Saharan African country to gain independence from colonial rule, with Nkrumah as its first prime minister. As prime minister and later president, Nkrumah implemented bold social and economic policies aimed at modernizing Ghana and improving the lives of its citizens. But Nkrumah's vision extended beyond Ghana's borders. He was a staunch advocate for African unity and Pan-Africanism, believing that only through solidarity could Africa truly thrive. Nkrumah played a key role in the establishment of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, the precursor to the African Union, which aimed to promote cooperation and solidarity among African nations. However, Nkrumah's ambitious goals and socialist policies also faced opposition, both domestically and internationally. In 1966, he was overthrown in a military coup while on a state visit to China. Nkrumah spent his remaining years in exile, but his legacy as a visionary leader and champion of African liberation lives on. So there you have it, the story of Kwame Nkrumah, a pioneer of African independence and unity. Join us next time as we continue to explore the diverse and fascinating history of the African continent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on All Things African. Until next time.